Hi, my name's Kay, and here at Gingerhill Farm, I've had a lot of first experiences, so it's actually been quite enriching and life-changing for me. Um, it was my first time coming to live into community, and I've met so many beautiful souls and really connected in a deep way with everyone around, and it's just really inspiring and beautiful to see everyone helping each other out, supporting each other, working together. And it's something that I want to seek out more of in my life. And also, it's my first time gardening and learning more about permaculture and agroforestry. So that's been, so amazing. I feel I'm taking away the knowledge of how to create my own garden, which is something I definitely want to do. How to prep and plant, seed and weed, and watch everything thrive. And that is definitely what happens on this farm. It is lush and so beautiful, and everything is thriving. And I've also been in the kitchen, so I've really loved to learning how to expand my culinary skills. So a little more knife skills. I have some recipes to take away. It was such a joy to harvest from the garden and then be cooking these healthy, delicious meals with like garden fresh produce. And I think that might be one of the things I'm going to be most sad about, other than also everyone here. And yeah, I stayed in this cute little more rustic cabin, which is the first time I've done that long term. And I found that I really liked being closer to nature. My windows had the view of like the sky and the trees all around, and waking up to that every morning was just so beautiful. Um, yeah, I am extremely sad to go, and I hope to come back here again one day.